Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment on this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. In today's video are my Target boxes for the month of January. And this is not a subscription like other subscription services. This one you actually have to go to the Target website the first Monday of every month. And you have to go on relatively early. Some boxes sell out so fast, and others, you know, you can get a few days later, sometimes even a week later. I know around the holidays, their boxes just were going, and gone. So these boxes, on average, I would say, this box style is usually $7 for each box. Some of the bigger ones over the holidays were a little bit more, you got more products and bigger boxes and stuff like that. So these are actually $7 each. And this first one that we're going to do today, I'm going to do both of them in one video to make it a little bit easier. And the first one is Hello Flawless Beauty Finds. And it always tells you the products that you have in your box, and gives you a $3 off $15 or more purchase for cosmetic, skincare, or hair care, which is nice if you shop at colored tissue paper. So the first item, which is nice, generally with these, I think you get a full size, at least one full size product in each box, and this is Lovebeauty&Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Deodorant. That smells nice. And this says relaxing on the front. I didn't know my deodorant had to relax me, but, and this is 24-hour odor protection, no aluminum. And this is new. So that's the first product. And then this next product here is from Method, and it is a body wash, Pure Peace, and this has peony, rose water, and pink sea salt, and this is a purifying body wash, so that's nice to have. Body wash. And then there's a little sample from from Up&Up is the brand. This is premium cotton rounds, and you get 2 of the cotton rounds, and I love using these to remove my makeup, so this is a welcome little sample. They could give you more than 2, but that's okay. The next product is from Maybelline, and this is the Eye Studio Master Precise All Day Liner, and this is in black. So we've gotten these before, and this is a sample size for the eyeliner. And then I think this is the next one. No, the oil. So this here, there's a glare, I'm sorry. This is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. This is cocoa butter, vitamin E, and natural oils to help improve the appearance of scars and to help even skin tones. So that's a nice little sample size to see if you like the product. And I like getting these, and this is from Schmidt's. And this is the schmidt'snaturals travel size toothpaste with activated charcoal. I love getting all the little samples. I think one of my Target boxes, I think I got Tom's all natural toothpaste as a sample. And that was actually very nice. I was surprised and did just as well as all the name brands. And then last but not least, one of my favorites. And I like that anything liquid that could leak, they tape down the lid, and this is from Garnier, and this is their micellar waterproof makeup cleansing water makeup remover. So I love the regular one. I've not tried the waterproof one, so that'll be nice to try. So that is everything that you got in the Hello Flawless Beauty Finds. So that's that box. Just get that out of the way. And then the second box that I got is Hello Skin-sational. once again, it tells you all the products and gives you your $3 off coupon. And this has a pretty, you know, blue tealy type tissue paper in it. And the first product that is listed on the paper is from Vichy, and this is their Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. And this is mineralizing water and hyaluronic acid. So that's nice. Anything hyaluronic acid is always nice to have. So we'll put that in the back. The next thing that's on the list is from Cetaphil. And if you guys haven't tried Cetaphil, their face scrubs and their products, I've received tons of samples and a few full-size products. Very, very nice. And this is Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. So, you know, it does what a scrub does, but this is actually pretty nice. I think this is good for, like, sensitive skin, too, if I'm not mistaken, the Cetaphil. And then there's, I think, another, oh, yeah, this, like, foil pack from Cetaphil, and this is their moisturizing cream, and this is for your body, and this is for dry, sensitive skin. So this, you know, there's some decent amount of product in there to try. I mean, it's obviously not going to cover your entire body, but good enough that you could try and see if you like it. And then, I think it's, oh, here, it's this. And this is from Dove DermaSeries, and this is Dry Skin Relief Replenishing Body Lotion, and this is for severe dry, itchy skin, tested with dermatologists, fragrance-free, non-sticky, and it has a light texture. So that'd be nice to try. Little body lotion, especially if you live in a cold winter state or, you know, just have dry skin. That'll be perfect. And the next one is from laroche-possay. And this is a hydrating cleanser. And this gently cleanses while maintaining skin's natural pH balance. So that's good. Sometimes some of the cleansers, they strip your skin. So that's a nice sample to try. And then there's another product here from La Roche-Posay. And this is their Redemic R. And this is potent retinol cream. Visibly reduces wrinkles, smooths texture, and helps even skin tone. So that'd be nice to try. And then the last product is a real small little sample, which I'm fine with. And this is from a company called CeraVe. And this is Skin Renewing Night Cream. So that's, let me just try and see here if this, so here's the cream. So, I mean, you know, you don't get tons, but enough to, you know, to sample, which is fine. And let's see how well these brands do, if there's safety seals. Okay, so this doesn't have a safety seal. I like when they have safety seals on the products. Just, I just think in this day and age, and a lot of these do not. So, which I'm okay with. I mean, I would buy it from Target and not worry about the safety seal. Yeah, a lot of these do not have it. I prefer that they have it just for sanitary reasons and, you know, as a precautionary method. This way, you know, nobody has messed with anything. So this is the box that is the Hello Skin-sational. So both of these boxes, one is for skin and this one is for flawless beauty. So basically, you know, a lot of body washes and cleansing oils, and there's a toothpaste, a micellar water, and some, and this one is more for your body, and scrubs and night creams and other retinol and creams like that. So for $14, which is what both of these boxes combined cost, I'm not going to complain. I like the Target bundles that you can get when you get both boxes. So consider going to Target.com and ordering these for yourself. So I appreciate you all watching. And I think when I get 2 boxes in the future, I'm going to combine them into one video rather than make separate videos. That seems just to be a little crazy, just to make two videos. So this is the Target beauty boxes from their website for the month of January 2019. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.